Hey guys, welcome back to my garage. Yeah, I know it's been a while since I've done any videos, but to be honest, I've been swamped. I live in Mesa, Arizona, and the heat out here is just brutal. Our sun is to rubber and paint what snow and rock salt roads are to the Midwest out here. And I've just spent several $1,000s fixing my cars, replacing rubber window gaskets and re-clearing and so forth. So it really made me rethink some priorities here in the garage. I have a 3-car garage. It's just about 900 square foot, and I really need to put a couple of cars in here to keep them out of the weather and save them from the sun. So I've been pushing to get some projects done, most namely is the Fadal and the Klausing Candia. And I've had on my bucket list to build another hot rod, and I'm sitting on it right now. It's a replica of a 1930 Ford Model A sedan delivery. And it's got a very mild 350 small block Chevy in it. It's backed up by a 700R4 built by Hughes, and an 8.8-inch differential out of a Ford Explorer limited slip. I just made it into a rolling chassis. I got my wheels and tires on it. So this is going to be my project for the rest of the year after I get these other machines done. Now I actually have 3 machines to finish up. The Klausing Candia is running. I cut a test block on it this last weekend, and it cut well. I'm going to do a little video to wrap that one up, and the Fadal is also running. I'll also cut a test block on that and do a wrap video on that as well. I also have a Syl, I don't know how you pronounce it, S-Y-L X4 mill, and it needs to be finished up. I am going to put the current revision Acorn hardware in it and the new software, the latest revision of software, and do a video series on that, because the old videos that I have on Acorn are now pretty much obsolete for the most part because the software has evolved so much. So I'm going to do a fresh series on that machine from beginning to end for new Acorn users. So yeah, I've been here, but I've been very busy, and I'm trying not to take on any more CNC projects, CNC conversion projects for a little while. That's not to say I won't be busy on it. Oh, the other project I've been working on is my Turn 140. So I'll also do a kind of a closeout video on that. It's almost done. I'm just waiting on some tooling now and some loose ends to tie up. And I'll just basically, on those 3 machines, the Klausing Candia, the Fadal, and the Turn 140, I'll just do a brief overview, walk around, completion video on them, and show them, cutting a test part so you guys can see that they're running. So I apologize for not doing videos. It does, when you do videos, you begin to really appreciate what other YouTube creators go through to create these videos for their users. I'm not walking away from it completely, but it's just I've got to shift some priorities, and this Model A right now is going to be my priority. I hope all of you are doing well with the pandemic. This is what my staying at home project's going to be for a while, and I still do beta testing hardware and software for Centroid, and there's some upcoming future projects there too that I'll try and keep you guys posted on when we get to that point. So yeah, I stay pretty busy. You may not know that I'm retired now 4 years from the city of Mesa. My background was I'm a trained electrician, and I served 30 years public service doing traffic signal control work. So this keeps me busy, and the CNC controls are my forte, so to speak. That's my strong point. I'm not a machinist by any stretch of the imagination. My feeds and speeds are kind of off the chart, and that's the other thing that I want to do is I kind of want to back off building and configuring machines and learning how to use my machines a little bit more efficiently and kind of fine-tune. When you do CNC retrofits, knowing G-code and some basic programming, they go hand in hand. You can't get away from it. But actually machining parts and feeds and speeds and CAD and CAM and all that, that's just another whole kettle of fish, so to speak. So anyway, I wanted to catch you guys up on what I'm doing and what I've been up to. Kind of give you an idea, my project here, my Model A, and I'll see you in the next one.